everyone! So, meron tayong i-unbox today. Actually, I realized na bumalik sa makeup industry. That's why, umorder ako nito. And nakikita ko siya sa lahat ng mga pro makeup artists. So, now na magbabalik tayo, kailangan meron din tayong ganito. So, let's unbox this. Ooh, I'm excited. Excited ako. Super excited ako sa pagbabalik na to, promise. And it's been a while since the last time na nag-makeup ako because of the pandemic. So, mas nag-focus ako sa real estate that time. It's actually a good business kasi maraming renter na ibang lahi, like Korean, Chinese, you know? So, okay. Yan. Okay naman, bubble wrap. Then, meron siyang box pa. Para mas... Oh my God! Ang ganda! Ang ganda! It's so pretty. Okay. So, in-order ko siya sa Lazada sa mismong site ng Godox. So excited. Hindi. So, now, pwede natin siyang i-on, I guess. Let's try it. Oh my God, that's too light. And then the mood. This is okay.
So you're still thinking of me, just like I know you should.